Our 23-year-old toilet seat served us well, but a portion delaminated, so it was time to replace it. First was to determine if it was a round 16.5-inch seat or elongated 18.5-inch seat. I lifted the hinge cover and measured from the hinge screw to the very front of the seat. In this case, about 18.5 inches, so it was an elongated seat. At the home improvement store, there was a large selection of toilet seats. Here is a side-by-side of the round and elongated seats. I could choose between wood and plastic seats. Available features were slow close, never loosen, will not shift, and removes easy for cleaning. I chose elongated white plastic, slow close, and non-slip bumpers. For this specific model, I confirmed the size by using this ruler. Perfect match. To remove the old seat, I used this number 3 Phillips screwdriver to remove the hinge screws as I held the nuts from below. The non-slip bumpers were installed. And the new seat was positioned in place. I lifted the hinge cover, installed the flat washers and screws, pushed on the plastic mounting nuts while holding down the screws. And while holding the plastic nuts, tighten the screws snugly. Close the hinge cover and tested the slow close feature.